October 30th, 2020. Entering Thompson, Connecticut from Putnam. We got a lot of snow today. Thompson's town line coming up. So the state looks like it's been brushed with snow. Apparently down by the more New York area, like by the coast, less of it. Some of it didn't stick, but up here in the quiet corner, snow clearly has stuck. And if you got around at least 6 inches, about 6 inches, I believe, in this area. Looks like it's all calmed down, but it was going on pretty strong until about 2 or 3 in the afternoon. But I believe this is one of 3 times where it's really snowed in October in Connecticut. At least snowed enough where it was noticeable, like little flurries that turn into snow. I believe one of 3 times. The second one being 2011 on the 29th, I believe. I remember I was having my birthday party. I was 2011, so I would have been just turned 10. I wasn't on my birthday, but it was the party. We were playing with our Nerf guns and toys outside, and I remember as I was a little kid, didn't really pay attention to the news or the weather. I did not know it was going to snow, and it did. And by the end of the party, we were having a snowball fight. But just look at this. Truly a winter wonderland for it not being winter. Yeah, we got a few inches, and it certainly blanketed the countryside in this area. Roads were pretty slick earlier. I went out to go to work, but they're a lot better now. Looks like most of it's been plowed away and melted a little bit, and I doubt we're going to have too many ice slicks tonight. But it is going to get down to about 20 degrees, I believe. But yeah, right before Halloween, this is perfect, you know. I remember back when the 2011 storm, they had in the Pomfret Tribune or whatever papers around here, they had pictures of jack-o'-lantern covered in snow. A lot of great photo ops, and I assume they're probably going to do a similar thing like that today.